Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. I know it's absurd, but it's a thing now, so let me show you how you can do this. Now the first thing that you need to do is to download a YouTube app for your Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now if you go on Galaxy App Store and type in YouTube in the search, you will get back with some results here. So there is a watch viewer for YouTube which is free. You can download that one. And then we have GTube player for YouTube, which is $2. And then there is GearTube, which is also $2, but I have bought this one. And then there is player for YouTube, which is also free. Now we're gonna look at a watch viewer, GearTube, and player for YouTube. Now let's get back to the watch now. So there you go. So let's start with the watch viewer for YouTube. Let's go in here. It says developed with YouTube, but you go in here, it says that YouTube API quota limit has been reached. Please try again after 4. Would you like to use YouTube on your phone instead? So that's what it's been showing since the day I've downloaded, which was 2 days ago. So let's forget about this one and go to uh, player for YouTube, which is a free app, and there you can actually go in and search for anything. So let's search for Samsung, press done. It comes up with few videos, but it's pretty limited. So if we go here and launch a video, the functionality is pretty limited here. So you can play the video, but there is no way to control anything. So you can pause it, you can play it, but you cannot change the voice, you cannot make it full screen, you cannot forward it or do anything else with this video. So this is pretty useless. Now let's talk about GearTube. So in GearTube, we have search, categories, and favorites. So let's go in search. I have few search histories here. So let's go to Samsung channel and let's launch Galaxy Unpacked video here. So now this has more robust functionality when it comes to YouTube videos. Now this is not the perfect scenario. You can't sign in to your account. You can't watch your subscriptions right in front. You have to search for it or go to favorites and stuff like that. But if you do decide to watch a YouTube video on your smartwatch, this is the app to go for. And now you can see all the functionality here. You can increase and decrease the volume, you can pause it, play it, you can go forward to the next video or back to the previous video, you can go forward 10 seconds or backward 10 seconds, you can like it, share it, and make it full screen. So there it is. And then the coolest feature, if you swipe on the bezel, it fast forwards the video really fast. So there you go, leave it and it will start from 7 minutes and 52 seconds. Now you can pause it again, you can increase the volume, you can go forward 10 seconds, backward 10 seconds, and go to the next video. So I think this is the best app if you do decide to watch YouTube videos. I don't know why anyone would watch YouTube videos on their smartwatch, but if you do decide, GearTube is the watch to go for. So that's how you can watch YouTube videos on your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.